Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christian, so I've got some nice big trailers, 50 amp service, washer dryer prepped. I mean, gosh, sink your teeth in it. Come on inside, let me show you around a little bit. This is a North Trail, ultralight, 33 RETS, rear entertainment triple slide out. Let's pop in here first. So this is your front bedroom. Got a big king bed, got little nightstands on both sides, storage up on top. We have storage in here under the bed that slides, and then there's some outside storage that we'll get to in a minute. Washer and dryer prepped here, so it's pretty easy. We got it in our parts department. We can slide it in there and you've got your washer. Second air conditioner for the 50 amp service, and nice generous closet up front. Shelf storage up on top, and you can put another TV right in here. It's already prepped for it. Nice drawer space, 6 drawers. And then if you turn directly around and take a look, that's the door going from the bedroom to the bathroom, and then this is the door coming in from the hallway. So if you had somebody staying with you, they don't have to walk into your bedroom to use the bathroom. Glass enclosure, corner shower, nice vanity, plenty of room on the toilet. Come on down through here and we'll buzz through the rest of this unit. Freestanding dinette. It does expand out, so if you have 4 people sitting here, there's a little bit more room for people to sit. Center island makes it really nice with opposing slide outs. Gives you a nice counter space, and on this one we went with double refrigerators, so you've got a lot of room in here. Great prep space over here. Again, solid surface countertops. Good storage up on top. And then in your island, that is all storage except a couple water lines. So there's a lot of storage for garbage cans. Deep sink. It's all recessed stainless. Updated stove and oven. I really like the flush glass top. Freon. Microwave up above, flat screen TV, DVD player, nice entertainment center. Fireplace, so you can use the electric heat. Don't have to burn all your propane. This is certainly will maintain. Big double bed that makes out. Nice counter space on both sides with outlets. Cathedral ceiling. It's a arch ceiling, so you've got a little bit more headroom. Take note of the step. The step is extremely stable, and when you want to travel with it, the step folds up right inside the door. Latch it in place, and you're ready to go. How's that? Let's go around the unit. LP access over here. You've got a rack in the back that you can fold down for extra storage. Spare tire, 50 amp service, cable outlet. And this is a vent for your cook space inside. Of course, the refrigerator vent and services, intake and exhaust for your furnace. Your holding tanks are down here, and we've also got one up front as well for an extra gray tank. Black water flush, city water hookup, outdoor shower, hot and cold water. Now in the bed, I mentioned that you had outside storage under the bed as well, so this is that compartment I was referring to. There's the dump that I mentioned. Electric stabilizers, water fill, and your pass-through storage across the front. Electric tongue jack, I know you've got a couple questions on this unit. Why don't you just give me a call at 541-554-9581. I appreciate your watching my video, and I look forward to talking to you.